Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to start with our new concept, that is animation. For this, we have to read the chapter number 3 and practice it. So today I am going to tell you about the practical part of this chapter. For this, students, we need Micromedia Flash Professional 8. So those students who have computer or laptop at home and they don't have this software, so come to the school along with your pen drive. I will copy paste this software in your pen drive along with the key, and then download this software on your computer at home. Then you are able to do the practice of this flash. So your first topic is how you will import the graphics in Macromedia Flash. Students, if you remember, in the previous class, means in the last year we do something in this. How you will import the graphic, how you will do the animation. So this again concept come in this class also. So your first topic is how you will import the graphic in Macromedia Flash. First of all, this is your title bar, this is your menu bar, this is your toolbar. Yes, this is your toolbar. There are so many tools. We will learn about these tools one by one. This is a timeline. This is your scene. Here, this is the stage. On this stage, we will import the graphics, we will do the animation part, and these are your layers. Okay, so let's start. First topic is how to import the graphics in Macromedia Flash. For this, you have to save any of the picture from internet. Okay, first of all, save any of the picture from internet, then you are able to import the graphic in Flash. So I have saved the picture of balloons already from Internet Explorer. So what you will do, you go on the file menu and click on the import and import to stage. Beta, drawing always come on your stage, so we have to select the option import to stage, and there is a shortcut key also for this is Ctrl+R. So there are two ways to import the graphics. So click on import to stage option. When you click, a dialog box will appear. So okay, I have saved my photo on desktop, so click the location and then select the picture. Yes, I have already saved the picture of balloon on desktop. Click on the picture and click on the open button. So see here, the graphics is imported on your Macromedia Flash. So in this way, students, you can add the any of the graphic in this software, and you can rename your layer also. This is a layer 1 by default, so must rename the name of the layer because it is easy to find out when there are so many layers. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to double click on this layer. When you double click on this layer, you are able to edit the name of the layer. After that, delete, and because I have imported the graphics of balloon, so I am writing the name of this layer as a balloon. So in this way, students, you can rename your layer. So must rename your layer, because when there are so many layers, it is easy to find out the layer for the next time. Okay, so next you can insert the layer. This is a plus sign here. Click on this layer and layer will be inserted. Okay, so click on and the layer will be inserted. So in this way, students, you can add so many layers on your stage. You can delete your layer also. Okay, कैसे करोगे? You select the picture and then press the delete key. So in this way, your any of the image is very easy to delete. Now next I am going to tell you that how you will add the any of the tools. Suppose I want to draw the circle. So click on this oval tool, come on the stage and draw the oval. You all know how to draw the oval. Yes, and you can fill it. How? This is a fill with color option. Okay, you can change the color also. Like suppose I am taking this and click on this button, fill color, and drop this color. Wait. Yes, you have to take the paint bucket tool. See here, the color is changed. Again, you take another color, red color. Paint bucket tool you have to select and draw. Yes. To change the color of any shape, you must select the color from fill with color option. So this is the parameter how to change the color. First of all, select the color and then click on the paint bucket tool and drop the color over here. So in this way, students, you are able to change the color of any graphic. So students, in this way you can add any of the picture. You can take this picture also. Suppose this is a rectangle tool. You can draw the rectangle and fill the color. Paint bucket tool you have to select and drop it. In this way you can add any of the shape. You can add the text also. Right over here, this is a rectangle. Yes, see here, its size is so much. So when you click on the shape, there is at the bottom there is a properties. So you click on this arrow, you scroll down to decrease its size. Yes, so in this way you must first of all select it and देख रहे हो, you decrease the size and then set it at the bottom. Yes, this is a rectangle. So in this way, when you draw any of the picture, you will write the name of that tool also. So next is, students, next I am going to tell you about mask of a layer. That is how to add a mask layer. A mask layer is used to show or hide a portion of your layer. A mask is like a pencil or a paper cutout where you can see what is behind it through the holes. So you can have many layers masked by the single layer mask. So how do you add the mask layer? For this there is a layer 1. First of all, add the graphics. Again I am adding the balloon picture. Yes. After that, I am adding a new layer. Okay, first of all, rename this layer. It's balloon. Okay, now add another layer. Yes, I have add another layer. Right click on this layer and click on the mask option. When you click on the mask option, you see here there is some cross sign. That means the layer is your locked. See here, when you click on the mask, this layer is locked. Again I am telling you, I am going to delete this layer. Delete layer. Yes, I am going to add the layer. When you add this layer, when you right click this layer, yes, this layer is locked. After that, add text on this layer. I am going to add the text on this layer. So students, see again, you have to add another layer. This is the layer. Okay, right click on this layer, click on the mask option. This layer is locked now. When you add the text, nothing happens. So you have to unlock this layer, then add the text box. Right over here, balloons. Okay, so in this way, sorry, correct the spelling of balloons. So students, in this way you can add the text. You must increase its size, maximum size. I have taken the 71. Okay, after that, click on this lock icon, again you see the difference that the balloons which is written in the black color is now changed with the colorful, that the text balloon has taken the color of balloons at the background. Okay, now click on this button. जैसे ही मैंने click किया, you see the difference that the color is now changed. So this is known as your mask layer. So in this way you can see the masking effect on the stage. किया क्या हमने, बैकग्राउंड में एक इमेज ऐड की और उस इमेज का टेक्स्ट उस इमेज का इफेक्ट किसके ऊपर आया, टेक्स्ट के ऊपर आया. सो दिस इज नोन एज योर हाउ टू एड अ मास्क लेयर. सो स्टूडेंट्स मस्ट ट्राई this.